What's up guys, back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the 5-jar cart from Harbor Freight, the US General one. I'm going to be unboxing this today and we're going to see how it goes. For the wheels, you need a bolt, washer, and nut. It comes with one bag just full of those 3 items. So these are for the wheels. And this, you need 3 of these for each hole, and each wheel has 4 holes. This is how it's supposed to be looking. That's before you tighten it. I'm still doing this one. It's front 2 are brakes, and then the rest 2 in the back, they're just normal. This is how it says. Front 2 are swivels. Brakes, and then the back are just they're just stiff. They don't turn, the back ones. So we're doing bolt through, washer and nut on the back. Look at this feature. It has a spot where you can grease it up. It has a grease port so you can grease the bearings. That's nice. Should be looking. So you guys can see we did this already with the nut and bolts, and now we got to put on this little tray, and then we'll put on this as well, and then we put nuts and bolts on those right there where the holes are in the middle. It's supposed to look like this. Suppose I have the brace on top. Messed up. This is how it's supposed to look. Now we gotta put on the chest. Yeah, we did this wrong. Look at the mistake. This gap right here. This is shorter and that's longer. And this one's longer and that one's shorter. So there is an orientation on the side ones. So you gotta do this all over again. Great. this, so the chest face this way. Let's install this. This goes right here on the side. So let's go about that. What we're gonna do now is that we're gonna put on the struts. Looks good. So this one goes here. Is this the right way? Yes. So it goes here. And we put a nut on it. Put a nut on this one. Don't tell me we found our first defect here. This thing, none of the fucking nuts wants to thread on. Yep, look. There's no grabbing point, like it doesn't spiral out to the end of the bolt. It just spins in there. Look, doesn't thread in. Look at this one. You see, this one does spiral out to the end. This one doesn't. So that's our first defect, but we could do the bottom part for now. All right, now we're gonna put the lid handle, which was this thing right here. It just uses screws, it's already in there. All right guys, so here it is, it's all complete. Like I said, it's just this one didn't have the correct threads. These are the drawers. They have like a little button you need to click. Looks good. And this side has one here. This one as well. And then you have the bottom piece. Got the carpet right there. And then we got the handle. Storage compartments to slip in your tools. And then you lock it up. So yeah guys, looks pretty good. I gotta bolt everything, tighten everything down. Overall, it looks pretty great. These all came with black screws, so this is one of the differences from the other colors, that this one is blacked out completely. So yeah guys, if you like this video, please leave a like, comment if you like this, and if you're help unboxing and setup and building it, I recommend subscribing because I'm going to do more videos like this and on my car E46 and my E38 7 Series. So yeah, if you guys like the video, please like, comment, subscribe. Have a good one.